Is your fire alarm system truly ready to protect what matters most? At Templar Fire Alarm Systems, LLC, with 15 years of experience in Dallas, Texas, we understand that you can't leave safety to chance. We provide new installations, maintenance, monitoring, annual inspections, installation and inspection, and fire alarms to ensure you're protected 24/7. Will you wait until it's too late? Secure your home or business today. Call us at 469-470-9503 or visit our website and follow us on social media and stay updated on our services. Templar Fire Alarm Systems, LLC, real protection when you need it most.